Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can book an appointment at a social security office. So if we are doing this online, go ahead and visit this website on the top left hand side over here. This will allow you to begin your request. Now, many services can be completed completely and entirely online without visiting an office. Of course, this will save you time. You can also, if you are doing in-person appointments, you can phone in. And you can use this number over here. They're available between 8 a.m. and 7 p.m. local time. Now, you need to choose your appointment type. So select between the in-person visit or the telephone appointment based on your needs. The phone appointment would offer, of course, a level of convenience, but the in-person visit may be necessary for certain documentation requirements. You now need to gather your original or your certified documents as instructed online or by your representative. Proper preparation can significantly reduce your time in the office and ensure a smooth appointment. Here are some important reminders. So appointments are typically scheduled between 2 and 4 weeks in advance, so do plan accordingly. Also use the office locator at this website over here to find your nearest location. And then starting the process online can really reduce the in-office wait time. Also, make sure to always call the national toll-free number. Unfortunately, local offices won't handle any scheduling, so it's that national toll-free number that you'll need to phone. I hope this was helpful.